In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download view-only video files from Google Drive with audio. Right up front, an important note. When a file is set to view only, the owner has intentionally disabled downloading. Circumventing that protection violates platform policies and may break the law. So in this walkthrough, I'm not going to show any workarounds or hacks. Instead, I'll guide you through the correct, reliable ways to get a downloadable copy with audio when you have permission, and how to enable offline playback if a download isn't appropriate. Start by opening the video in Google Drive. If you need your own copy, use the built-in request flow. Click Share or Request Access. Add a short, clear message explaining why you need to download the video, and ask the owner to grant download permission or send you a downloadable copy. This keeps everything above board and usually gets you the best quality file with intact audio. Once the owner approves, refresh the video in Drive. Open the preview, select the three-dot menu, and choose Download. Your browser will save the original file, including its embedded audio. On mobile, open the Files menu and tap Download. If the owner prefers to keep the link view only, they can still help by sending a direct downloadable link or sharing a copy with you directly. If the owner wants viewers to have a download option without changing the sharing role, they can enable the setting that allows viewers to download. After that, you'll see the download option appear in the menu, and you can save the video normally. If a download isn't possible, consider offline access. On the web, enable offline mode in Drive settings. Then open the video so it's cached. On the Drive mobile app, open the Files menu and choose Make Available Offline. This lets you play the video with audio when you're not connected, while still respecting the owner's restrictions. Keep in mind that offline access stores a protected cache, not a transferable file. A few quick tips to ensure you get the audio as expected. If a downloaded file seems to have no sound, try playing it in a modern media player like VLC. If the quality looks lower than expected, it may be a preview version. Ask the owner to share the original resolution. Also make sure you have enough local storage before downloading large files. Always respect copyrights, licensing, and organizational policies. When in doubt, ask the owner for guidance or for a version that's intended for distribution. Follow these steps and you'll get the video you need, cleanly, legally, and with the audio intact.